The last one here is if you think of a typical electric bike and how those look and operate, you need a chain, you need a belt, you need a motor, you need a battery, you need pedals, you need all that. Now, what we have here is something that's just going to start going into production here called the free drive system. And what that does is it turns electric bikes into a series of hybrid vehicle by placing the electric and mechanical drivetrains in series, meaning the rider pedaling is converting that into electricity to power the motor and ultimately turn the wheels. So then you won't need a chain anymore. It'll just be by wire. No chain system, none of that extra BS. It's all in one, ready to go. So I think this is going to be sick because, for one, it's going to make these easier to make, and it's just going to allow for like cargo bikes, like downtown deliveries and stuff like that, where people are biking everywhere, doing things that way. It's going to make an electric version of that way cheaper and way more efficient, which is just a big deal. So yeah, just kind of a cool thing. There's not much information really, and there's not much to really talk about here. Then I think it's just a cool technology that could have other applications. Just think of, this is a technology that can be used in a sense of like, basically it's regenerative braking, but you're pedaling it the whole time. That's kind of that's a scuffed way to say it, but just you can see what I mean by that. Like, there's a lot of ways this could end up being used in the future, and just it's interesting. It's interesting. That's all. That's all for that one. I don't really have much else to say about that one.